It's time to wake and bake some chicken. Today I'm going to show you that with just a few simple ingredients and a little knowledge, you too can make perfectly crispy and juicy chicken every time. So let's get plucking with today's recipe, easy baked chicken. Whether you choke your chicken or you pick it up from the market, the end result is the same. Chicken is chicken, right? Well, sort of. If you've ever heard the saying, the simplest things in life bring the most pleasure, this is the perfect example. We're only using 3 ingredients: olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and my secret weapon, something I use more than I'd like to admit on everything from fish to asparagus. It's called lemon and pepper seasoning, and you can find it at any grocery store. Once we have all the ingredients in the bowl, give it a good mix so the chicken can marinate. As always, you can find the full recipe and the list of ingredients in the description below. And while you're at it, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you'll have easy access to all our recipes. One of the tricks to baking perfect chicken is to do it on a rack so it doesn't sit in its own juices. The goal here is maximum skin crispiness. So after letting the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, it's time to lay them out. And we're going to start by baking them skin side down. This is very important and all part of the Max Crispy plan. If done right, chicken skin is second only to bacon when it comes to flavor and crunch. Disagree? Try eating a BLT using chicken skin and then let's talk. That's why I'd never go to a chicken bachelor party. I've got zero interest in chicken strips. 20 minutes at 375 and it's time to turn. You see, here at ODOS, you'll find that nothing we do is by accident, except when I forget to set the timer and something burns. But that's not happening today, not with you all watching. It's moments like this that bring me back to the days of my childhood in my grandfather's kitchen. The sounds and smells, his calm mastery of his surroundings, and always offering words of wisdom. What did he used to say about baking chicken? A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush? Or was it birds of a feather flock together? Wait, proud as a peacock. Oh yeah. Damn it! Well, my memory may be a little hazy, but I'm sure he said to never let your chicken dry out. So there it is, the simplest recipe I know to make juicy, delicious, crispy-skinned chicken every single time. But don't take my word for it, make it yourself. Impress your friends and family, or that first date you're trying to score on. Come on now, how could they resist this? So remember, cook smart and not hard, and thanks for watching.